Hello. Okay, so today we're just going to go over quickly over the Obsidian integration for Dainvo. It's pretty simple. Basically, you can just bring in your tasks from anywhere in Obsidian, in your Obsidian vault, or you can also integrate your daily notes. So you can access your daily note per the corresponding date on your calendar. Makes it a little bit easier instead of having to go sort through all your daily notes within Obsidian. So we will just go quickly first through the setup. It's pretty easy. Just in settings in Dainvo, you go to accounts and you can find your Obsidian integration. And there's your bridge URL and parent code. You're going to need this for your Obsidian plugin. Now in Obsidian, just go to your settings, go up to community plugins, and you'll just search for Dainvo. Install, enable, and in the options, you'll see right here, you have your bridge URL and your parent code. So you can just copy both. And you can just pair. You'll say pairing complete once it's up there. And then you can exit out. You'll see a little icon pop up here in the corner. Before we move on, down here, you'll be able to see your vault down here. And then in calendar, what you can do is add daily notes to Dainvo. That's on. You can select your vault. You can only do one vault for daily notes to sync. Can't sync multiple daily notes from multiple vaults. And in tasks, we've put in this option here, hide blank Obsidian tasks. For all of you who use templates, one of the big common things is you'll do a template and you'll start a list that could include, say, for meetings, action items that already has a task box created, and it just gets cluttered up within your task list. So this hides it. You can disable it if you want to go clean up a bunch of empty tasks, or if you do want to see those empty tasks, but basically this cleans it up. So only tasks that actually have a name or a title, whatever description added to it, that will actually show up in Dainvo. So once that's enabled, you can just go over here. You can see your task list. In your task list, you'll have all, and then you can also sort by tag. So you give a task a tag, you can sort it out this way. We are going to add a feature in the future that will have daily notes, so you can select only daily notes and then start going through them, say daily, weekly, but we haven't fully figured that out yet. Okay, up top here, you can see these little Obsidian icons. Right, this is your daily note feature. So you can open up for pretty much any day, and it'll open up the corresponding daily note. Right, so now you got in your task list, you can click through the tasks. So connect Obsidian. Daily note, example note. So one of the cool features that we have, so say you have this task scheduled. You put it in, you don't need to schedule it. You have this task scheduled, and then you go, I don't really know the context of it. I do know there's a bunch of notes that go towards it. You can just click open note, and it will open that note where that task is living. So you can have a large knowledge base, and you can have tasks, just randomly throw up tasks anywhere in the knowledge base. It'll show up here and it'll allow you to go back to it. So you no longer have to digging through notes trying to remember where it is. It can be 6 months down the line when you get to it. Oh, I can't remember where this is. Go back to the note. You have all the information. Now, one of the other things that's really common, I find all task managers, when you do the planning, it becomes one time, right? You can plan that, and then you gotta make a new task if it's happening on multiple days or multiple time periods. This one we find is just easier. You can select here, multi-calendar slot. And once that's done, you can have the same task, multiple spots. Makes it a lot easier for planning on that. So you can just use the same task, same general task. You can go back into your notes, get all the information, all the subtasks for it. Makes it a lot cleaner, a lot simpler workflow. Check it off. Task complete, completes all the tasks down on your calendar. Now, so in Dainvo, we have all the shortcuts. You're in the calendar menu or in the task. Just press C, create task. You'll create one for Dainvo. And what will happen there is you'll create it in today's note. So you can just look at today's note and you'll create it in there. It'll give you a heading under Dainvo. It's created in Dainvo. You can also just create more tasks. Creates another one. So it's two-way sync. And for that, you can see it here, shows up in Dainvo. And that's the basics of it. It's pretty simple. Thank you for watching.